Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the nuclear fire challenge again, except this time I'm fucking determined to do it. And I came a little bit more prepared. I have my tea, so I don't have to run out of the room like last time. Tea, chapstick, because last time my lips swelled up. I'm already sweating. I don't know if it's just hot in here or if I'm like getting nervous. And water and tissues. Okay. I have to do it this time because this is technically the third time that I'm trying to do this, but the second time I didn't record it and I still fucked up and didn't do it, so. I've been fucking it up. Remember, this isn't just the normal fire noodles, it's the nuclear fire noodles, which means I'm not just gonna have a fire asshole, I'm gonna have a nuclear fire asshole. So this should be great. Look, it's telling me I shouldn't be doing this. I can't even open it. This is bullshit. Alright, I'm getting scissors. Man, it's too spicy. She's like, what is it, Mom? Too spicy for you. Okay. Liquid death. Stop. Man. This is the package 2 times before I get it all. I used my hair cutting scissors to open that, so I hope I remember to wash them off because that's gonna be fucking hell next time I have to use them. Alright. Shit. It's gross. On the directions, it tells you to like leave a little bit of water. I guess so this, like, the starchiness of it makes the fucking death sauce cling to it better. So. Though, it doesn't look like as many noodles as I had last time, but I think maybe my friend gave me the bigger half. I'm really sweating already. This is scary. And it's not even that it tastes bad, because it really doesn't. It's just the fact that it's like this building and lingering burn. I don't know why I do this, but I think it's because I haven't finished it yet, so I feel unaccomplished and I feel like a failure. So hopefully, not hopefully, we're gonna do cereal. I think what I'm gonna do is try to do it just as quickly as possible and not really think about it, and then just suffer the consequences afterwards. Okay. Alright. Okay, so my video cut off, sorry. Okay. Trying to get my, because I'm already sweaty. Alright. I'm just gonna do as big of bites as possible. Oh shit. Body's telling me now. Sorry. Cut off again. So I'm taking even longer. This shit cuts off again. Just know I finished it. I just can't get it with the chopsticks. I just saw the little residual pieces. Oh my god, my asshole's gonna be on fire. Why do I do this to myself? Oh, stupid idea. Fucking terrible idea. I just had to do it.